FinTech Career Inc. welcomes you to a video on how to use Python programming for stock trading. Company performance is published just once in a quarter. Why do share prices fluctuate in a split second? Occasional industry news, government policy change, results of survey, etc. happen sometimes. But share prices fluctuate in very short time intervals. Why? Research analyzing trend and predicting occurrence of a pattern are scientifically proved. How can I anticipate instantly to make prudent trading? Use a known algorithm and tell a computer to do the forecast or make it to trade by itself. Learn Python without need for programming skills from the people who know best of capital market and the finance. Please call us for booking or any other details at 437-231-7979 or reach by email admin@fintechcareer.ca.